got frostbite. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna make it. I got my daughter on my back. She's on my back. I got to get her to shelter. We tried to come out. The car cut off on us.
There's the car. There's the car.
We got about 2 miles to go before we could get to warm shelter. What a night. Huntsville, Alabama. 2:10:11. If anybody's getting this on their YouTube, call 911. That's right. We are coming up this mountain. It's called Gus Grissom Mountain. We went for shelter, but they weren't at home. We have no way of finding them. We need water. We've been eating the snakes and the rats out the ground for food. The snow is so thick, it is taking all of my energy. So I'm gonna have to stop talking.